Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook savory double combo bucket in Heartopia. So, in this latest update, there is a new event that called Dreamlike Cinematic Event. And then at this event, you can cook any limited food. One of them is savory double combo bucket like this. And then to cook it, you must have the popcorn savoring card that you can craft it by yourself. And then if you don't know how to craft it yet, you can just click the link in the description to watch the tutorial. And then next, to cook it, just tap on the card and then just choose the savory double combo bucket like this. And then in here you need two ingredients or need two food that you already made before. First you need savory popcorn, this one. And then you also need the salsa wavy potato chips like this. And then once all the ingredients are complete, you just simply tap on start cooking like this. Just tap on the start cooking and then just cook the double combo like this. And then like this, your savory double combo bucket is ready. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.